Here at Resto My Ride, we get a lot of calls about a lot of restos. Every now and again, an absolute cracker comes along. We've recently been talking to the team at Autobarn, who are celebrating their 40th year in business. And to mark that milestone, they've asked us if we'd be interested in building a car for them. And naturally, I said yes, and we jumped at the chance. I'm so excited about this resto that I've already gone out and sourced the car for this project. And for me, this one's extra special. Autobarn have been a part of my car life for many years. I already shop there like a lot of car enthusiasts do. So to be working on a project like this with a brand that's been ingrained in Aussie car culture and are celebrating their 40th birthday, well, that's a pretty cool gig if you ask me. So I'm here at Autobarn. I'm about to unveil the concept renders for the VK that we're building together, and extremely excited but also extremely nervous because I've got a lot of people to impress and I'm hoping I get the thumbs up rather than the thumbs down. So I'll get to it and hopefully I get the thumbs up. Morning everybody. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to work with Autobarn and build a legendary car for your 40th birthday celebrations. I'll just do the reveal. So as you can see guys, what we have is the 1985 VK Commodore, classic legendary Aussie car, and I've sort of tried to incorporate the Autobarn branding into the car itself. So the gloss black with the pinstripe in the green and the yellow, and of course the Autobarn branding across the top of the windscreen. So kind of that old school kind of race car kind of look, with the 19-inch HDT aero wheels and of course the body kit to go with it. So here it is, our vision for the 40th anniversary celebration car, restoring a legend for Autobarn. So what do you guys think?
That's awesome.
Love it.
That's a good reaction.
This is exactly what I envisaged when we talked about rebuilding this 1985 VK Commodore. Awesome for Autobarn. I'm so excited. Well done.
Well done.
You like
Have
it?
you got the keys?
Have you got the keys? I've got the keys, but it's got no engine. Yet. I'm working on it.
So Declan, are you excited about using the Autobarn parts and accessories to build the VK Commodore? Yeah.
As long as I get free rein in the store. Yes.
Absolutely.
It's going to be awesome to come in and sort of be able to pick from the best of the best in Autobarn, just really kit this car out. You know, everything from accessories, sound system, interior parts as well. You know, right down to even like suspension, bushes, brake pads, everything basically. There's not a nut or a bolt on the car that's not going to be done. So I think we'll have lots of fun in here doing lots of shopping.
This build is about everyone, our suppliers, our team members, our customers. We've got a real passion for the industry and this car is definitely going to deliver on that.
I've been with Autobarn quite a while, and I can say with certainty this project is going to create so much excitement across all our stores. This is one we will remember.
I wasn't even born when that car came out, but I drive it today.
Autobarn. At Autobarn, our hot deals, cool prices sale is on right now.
Hello, it's Paulie here for Autobarn.
Probably 84, 85, we actually got 9 people together, very successful independents in their own right. The only thing we couldn't agree on was a name. So Autobarn actually came up as a name, and that was the one that was least disliked by all the people sitting there.
We've basically built what Autobarn is today on the back offs. Cars like the VK, LJ Tiranas, LH Tiranas, HQ, HZs. Those dozen cars were the ones that built our business, but it's come back with a vengeance. I can tell you now, performance is back, big time.
So that's the plan. Rebuild an Aussie icon from the ground up to help celebrate 40 years of Autobarn. We've mapped out the vision, the renders are locked in, and now it's time to actually get stuck in. Next step, let's strip this car down and see what it is we're dealing with.